Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is present perfect continuous tense in grammar book lesson 7. We can also call it present perfect progressive tense. The definition will be the present perfect continuous tense is used to talk about an action which began in the past and is still continuing or has only just finished or completed. Means the work that started in past and continued up to the present moment. So the present perfect continuous tense is used to talk about an action which began in the past and is still continuing or has only just finished or completed. Students, Urdu identification will be if we get the Urdu words raha hai, rahi hai, rahe hain in the end of the Urdu sentence, and also the time duration mentioned in the Urdu sentence, then we should understand that it is present perfect continuous tense that we have to convert it into English according to the structure of present perfect continuous tense. The structure will be, students, we use the auxiliary verb have been plus present participle with I, you, we, they, and we use has been plus present participle with he, she, it and all singular nouns. Been. Students, what is been? Been is the third form of be. Be shows the continuity. Affirmative sentence. Structure of affirmative sentence. For subject, I, you, we, they and plural nouns, we use auxiliary have plus been plus first form of verb plus ing or present participle plus object plus since or for plus time duration plus full stop. Students, what is since or for? Since or for are the prepositions. Since is used to refer a specific point in time like morning, evening, 1947, January, February, etc. While for is used for a period of time like 2 hours, 3 hours, 3 days, 4 years, etc. So the structure of affirmative sentence for the present perfect continuous tense is for subject I, you, we, they and plural noun. Auxiliary, we use auxiliary have been plus present participle plus object plus since or for plus time duration plus full stop. And for he, she, it and singular noun, we use auxiliary has plus been plus present participle plus object plus since or for plus time duration plus full stop. Negative sentence. The structure of negative sentence. It is easy. We add just not between had, have or has and been. Means we write not, just not in negative sentences between have or has and been. Like I, we, you, they and plural noun plus have plus not plus been. And for he, she, it and singular noun, we write has plus not plus been. The remaining structure will be same, just like affirmative sentence, interrogative sentence. Students, it is also very easy. We write auxiliary verb in the beginning of the sentence like has and have. We write has and have in the beginning of the sentence, then subject, then present participle, then object, then since or for, then time duration plus full question mark. Students must put question mark. It is very important in the interrogative sentence structures. Let's come to exercise. Fill in the blanks with correct form of the verbs to make present perfect continuous tense. The criminal has been committing serious crimes since 1999. The poor widow has been earning her living by sewing clothes since her husband's death. They have been playing hide and seek for 2 hours. Asala has been delivering speeches against terrorism for many weeks. Some laborers have been working in the countryside since dawn. Exercise B. Change the following sentences into negative. They have been collecting stamps since the beginning of the year. They have not been collecting stamps since the beginning of the year. Madiha has been baking sweet cookies since morning. Madiha has not been baking sweet cookies since morning. Madiha has not been baking sweet cookies since morning. It has been raining for 3 days. It has not been raining for 3 days. The careless boy has been wasting his time since childhood. The careless boy has not been wasting his time since childhood. Baby has been crying since morning. Baby has not been crying since morning. Exercise C. Change the following sentences into interrogative. The principal has been announcing the results for 1 hour. Has the principal been announcing the results for 1 hour? Put question mark. I have been living in Karachi since 2006. Have I been living in Karachi since 2006? Put question mark. The discipline in charge has been warning the latecomers since 8 o'clock. Has the discipline in charge been warning the latecomers since 8 o'clock? Put question mark. He has been calling you since 4 o'clock. Has he been calling you since 4 o'clock? 4 o'clock. Put question mark. She has been enhancing the reputation of the company since her joining. Has she been enhancing the reputation of the company since her joining? Exercise D. Translate the following sentences into English. बच्चे शाम से इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं. The children have been waiting since evening. हम सुबह से अपने दुपट्टे नहीं रंग रहे हैं. We have not been dyeing our shawls since morning. क्या वो हमें एक हफ्ते से दावत पर बुला रहे हैं? Have they been inviting us for 1 week? वो गुज़िश्ता कई सालों से दुनिया भर में तबलीग इस्लाम कर रहे हैं. They have been preaching of Islam for all over the world for last many years. आप 2 घंटे से हमारी बात बड़े सब्र व तहम्मुल से सुन रहे हैं. You have been listening us with great patience for 2 hours. Listening सुनना, patience सब्र व तहम्मुल. Make 5 examples of present perfect continuous tense and do this work in your grammar book. Bring your grammar book to the school for checking. We have shared a link to you. Search the link and take the calligraphy classes. Stay safe at home. God bless you.